You may be asking, what is Northeast Indiana Fame? Northeast Indiana Fame stands for Northeast Indiana Federation for Advanced Manufacturing Education. We are an organization that connects students with employer partners to obtain a sponsorship to pursue a 2-year degree. Sponsors provide students with a paid work experience working part-time while attending classes. What are the benefits of the Northeast Indiana Fame program? Students who participate obtain 60 credit hours, approximately 1,800 hours of on-the-job training that focuses on soft skills essential for a successful career while working with a sponsoring employer, and the ability to further your education. What does the program consist of? Advanced Manufacturing Technician Program is a 5-semester dual-track program that provides a work component for a paid experience. What happens when you complete the program? Students who complete the program obtain an associate's degree of applied science in industrial technology, walk away with potentially 0 student loan debt, have an opportunity to gain full-time employment with a sponsoring company, and have the option to continue their education for advanced degrees. Who are the sponsor companies and educational partner? Steel Dynamics, Fort Wayne Metals, Zimmer Biomet, LH Industries, Micropulse, Advanced Machinery and Tool, and Ivy Tech Community College. Who is eligible to apply for the Northeast Indiana Fame program? Any graduating high school senior or anyone interested in a degree and career in advanced manufacturing. Are you wondering where to apply? Where you can learn more about the sponsoring companies? Or when the program start date is? To find answers to frequently asked questions and for additional information, please visit www.northeastindianafame.com.